Hello everyone and welcome to Janet's Creative Flowers. In this tutorial in this video I'm going to show you how to make this bow. Yeah, this can be used for little girls dresses or hairband. So now let us see how to make this. First we will see the materials required. I have two pieces of satin ribbon here, white color. The width of this ribbon is 1.5 inches and the length according to your choice. Yeah, you want to make a bigger bow, take a bigger piece of ribbon or a smaller one. Then I have needle, thread attached to it, a pair of scissors, and then one more satin ribbon. This is 1 by 4th inch, and a glue gun and a lighter. Let us get started. I am burning the sides so that if we don't burn this, then the threads will come out. So it's a good practice to burn it. Okay. Yeah. Take take one ribbon, fold it into two, mark the center line, apply glue, take thread, do the same for another piece. 1 and 2. Now bring them close. And Here we go. So this is one more type of bow, and especially used for dresses, little girls dresses or hairband. This looks really beautiful.